with great honor and pride to present to you the graduates from the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Abiada Jenica Eusebio, Service Awardee, Academic Excellence Awardee. Abogadi John Chloe Apostol. Alcuetas Raisel Russell Capala, Special Citation for Copyright Software, Best in Group Thesis, Cum Laude. Alpas Gilia Kalika.
Apa kaya si Kalika, ya?
Angeles John Lester Kamigawan, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Best in Application Development, Cum Laude. Aquino Carl Brian Benjamin, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software. Arabia Arnel Estacio.
Sana si Jeff?
Avante Rafael Aquino, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Best in Web Development, Philippine National IT Standard Passer, Magna Cum Laude.
Sirap ka lang.
Macasmo Mark Jadu, Academic Excellence Awardee. Bakian Mark Jason Dorero. Bala Reddy Balaguer. Bauya Railway, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software. Between Princess May Reyes, Academic Excellence Awardee. Borromeo Maria Dayan Michelle Cano, Philippine National IT Standard Passer, Service Awardee, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Best in Robotics, Top Performer, Outstanding Graduate Student of the Year, Magna Cum Laude. Kathleen Ronwell Jan Malakapu, Cum Laude. Katugal Shadley Largato, Magna Cum Laude. Corpus Wensen K. Enriquez, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Academic Excellence Awardee. Kubalan Raymond Pinoza, Cum Laude. Dali Peter Jode Jose, Best in Graphical User Interface, Best in Mobile Application Development Front End. Delmo Mark Joseph Bobadilla, Cum Laude. Dumbra Joel Pasilio, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Cum Laude. Pavillaran Jasper Miraflor. Gavilanes Ray Campos, Academic Excellence Awardee. Gonzalez Jeff Wesley Sotilio, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software, Cum Laude. Ubilia John Kyle Raimundo, Best in Group Thesis. Ilas Mark Aldrin Aranzazo, cum laude. Hakalan Angelo Gimoro, Philippine National IT Standard Passer, Academic Excellence Awardee. Hosam Kailame Gutierrez, cum laude. Lansam John Patrick Cruz, Special Citation for Copyright Software, Best in Graphical User Interface. Luzara Kervin Familara, Marbas Jeremiah Manago, Martinez Finnegan Bogota, Special Citation for Copyright Software Service Awardee. Luis Guerra Reales, Arenes Dominic Manalo, Best in Group Thesis. Ramos Vacuum Gabriel Morande, Best in Graphical User Interface, Special Citation for Copyright Software, cum laude. Sanchez Khalid Del Ramos, Special Citation for Copyright Software, cum laude. Solis Julie Orozco, Academic Excellence Awardee. Solis Roslyn Villan, Academic Excellence Awardee. Sumargo June Marvin Cebolino, Special Citation for Copyrighted Software. Valentino Shin Angel Soriano, cum laude. Rania Cristianiel Montermoso, Watson Daniel Aya Morente, cum laude. Valerio Mark Christian Aguad, Best in OJT, Best in Group